Okay guys, so we are in the car. I'm getting ready to head to do the Amazon order. I think I might stop and get me a coffee because I want to. So yeah, it's currently 10:32. It starts at 11:15, so I'm on good timing. It's not that far away. The location, the warehouse that I have to pick up the packages from is no traffic, maybe 20 minutes, no more than 30 minutes with traffic, or depending on how heavy the traffic is, but it's really not that far at all. So I guess I have baby girl in the back. She comes with me if I have the ones during the day, like before I pick up my son. She comes with me because she's not in daycare or school or anything right now, so she just stays home with me. So she rides along with me, and I hope this trip don't be a rough one. So I woke up this morning. I put the tablet, okay, so I have a tablet. I give her the tablet when I'm doing, the Amazon orders, because it keeps her, occupied or whatever. But I put the tablet on the charger last night because it went dead yesterday. And woke up this morning and... Sorry guys, she's in the background. But woke up this morning and all I'm getting is a dark blue screen. Like nothing is coming on. I know it's not dead, and I know my chargers work because I plugged the chargers up into my husband's phone and my phone just to make sure it's not the charger. But yes, so all I'm getting is a dark blue screen, so no tablet, which is okay because I do have plans to upgrade that tablet that they have and also get another tablet for my son, because that was the tablet that she used was his tablet. But Wayne, I took it away from him because he's been acting up in school. And then I just really let her use it, especially when he's at school, instead of buying another one. But I do need to go ahead and upgrade that one. That one is what, like 5 years old or something like that. I don't even know what happened or why the screen is blue, but it's fine. I'm gonna just have to do an upgrade, or I might see if I can get it fixed. I don't know. I think I should just go ahead and upgrade it, and then also get another one for my son, like I should have done. But I was thinking about surprising him. I told him if he has one grade that he needs, well, two, but one grade that he really needs to pull up. And I told him if he gets that right, he'll get a new tablet, or I was debating on getting him a phone, but he's 9. I don't know if I want to give him a phone yet. I don't know. We'll see. I still have like a month to decide if I'm going to do that, but for sure I'm going to get him the tablet. The phone, I don't know yet. But yeah, anyways, we are heading to the warehouse, and I don't know if I'm gonna record. I might give y'all some clips. I don't know if that's something y'all want to see. I don't know, or I might give y'all some clips, or I might just see y'all maybe once I pick up my son from school and we head to the park. So I'll see you guys later. Oh guys, the day has just gotten away from me. I was supposed to take the kiddos to the park, but we ended up not doing it. Y'all know time changed this week and the day just got away from me. So we didn't do that, but I'm getting ready to cook. Just for me, baby girl. Well, actually she ate. Just for me and my husband, I guess. Because everybody else ate. My son had leftover pizza, and baby girl had some mac and cheese and other stuff. So she's probably not hungry. So I know this was supposed to be a day in my life, seeing everything I've done, but really, hey, I didn't do much. So let's just cook dinner. I'm not making much. I'm just getting ready to make some of this yellow rice, real quick, simple, easy. Some frozen carrots and some tilapia. Quick, simple, easy. I'm about to pop the tilapia in the oven. That probably takes about 20 minutes, if that. The rice only takes a few minutes, and the corn only takes a few minutes. So that's dinner time.